Hello guys and welcome back. In this lesson we are going to learn how to add items to an array list. Before I start the lesson, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos. So let's start off by creating the array list. We will work with another integer array list. Again, I'm gonna call it numbers, and we call the constructor as such. Before we actually add some items into the array list, I want to demonstrate another method that we will need quite a bit with array list, and that is the size method. The size method will return the number of items in an array list at any given time. So if we want to display the number of items in this array list, we can simply call the method on the array list name like so. So size will return the number of elements that we stored in the array list numbers, which in this time is 0. So that's how we should get as a result. So let's save the program. Let's compile it. Now let's run it. And it says the number of items is 0. Because we haven't added any to the array list yet. Now let's go and do that. Where we add elements to an array list is with the method add. If we want to add the element 0 to our array list of numbers, we will write numbers dot add set 0 or put 0 in parentheses. I like to use sub as a subscript, for example. But actually that's not what we are talking about. We are talking about is sending a message that the element we want to add to numbers is 0. So think of it more in terms of that. Now we can look at the size again and see that change. So let's copy and paste the line above, back, and below. Let's save the file. Let's compile it again and then run it. And now it shows that the number of items is 1. So if you want to continue adding a few more numbers into our array list, we can write a for loop. Start at 1. We will go till 10. We will say I is less than 11. Increment I by 1. And then we will just add the current value of I as an element to the array list. And then we will finish with the loop. And we can check this how many items we have added. So let's save the file, compile, now run it. So now you see that we have 11 items. So you have the numbers 0 through 10 and the array list. So in the next lesson, when we look at the accessing array list elements or demonstrate how to display all the elements in the array list. But in this lesson, we are restricting ourselves to just adding. So the way we add is with the add method, and you simply provide the element you want to add to the array list as the argument to the method, and it will place it in the next available spot in the array list. So that wraps up this lesson, and we will move to the next lesson where we look at how to access array list elements. If you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. Bye.